Hello everyone, good morning everyone. So I would like to give you a very warm welcome. After all exams, ASLs, बहुत सारे assessments हो गए ना, and you all must be tired. So you got 2 days rest, that is Saturday and Sunday, because Friday को हमारा सारा test complete हो गए थे, and you got a rest of 2 days. And after that again, just pull up your socks and get ready to begin with a new term. So what we are going to do now, we are going to resume what our regular online teaching classes. Okay? अब हमने जो अब तक पढ़ाई की थी, जो मैम ने आपको अब तक बताया था, so we have attended their assessments. उनका हमारा टेस्ट भी हो गया है. Clear? So test results will be coming in few days. आपको थोड़े दिनों में मैम बता देगी. But now it's time to begin with our topics, new topics, and start learning new things once again. So are you all prepared for that? Great. Let's begin. So the first topic, the first class after your exams is English. Clear? And what we are going to do today? Today we are going to learn about a new topic, that is use of this. See class, you remember we have done use of it. Like you have made the sentences, it is a hen, it is a car, it is a ball. You remember that? Very good. Then in maths, we did one topic, that is near and far. आपको याद है एक टॉपिक किया था हमने मैथ्स में. मैथ्स में मैम ने आपको बताया था नियर. नियर मीन्स समथिंग विच इज क्लोज टू अस, जो हमारे पास है, एंड फार जो हमसे थोड़ा दूर है. यू रिमेम्बर ना, फार ऑब्जेक्ट्स एंड नियर ऑब्जेक्ट्स. से फॉर एग्जाम्पल मैम अभी ब्लैक बोर्ड के नियर है ना, एंड मैम इज फार ऑफ फ्रॉम विंडो. विंडो से दूर है. बट इफ आई कम अहेड, या अब मैम टेबल के नियर हो गए. जब मैम आगे आए, मैम स्टैंडिंग नियर द टेबल. सो नियर इज पास एंड फार इज दूर. So this near and far is also related with the topic use of this. Okay, so how we are going to do this now? See, जो objects हमारे near होते हैं, near means पास होते हैं, for them we use this. For example, this is a board. मैम के near है, this is a board. अब window मैम से दूर है, so what I'll say? That is a window. अब देखो, when I'm saying that is a window, I'm putting an arrow mark. मैम अपने hand से एक arrow बना रही है, क्योंकि वो object दूर है, so I have to point it. उसकी तरफ मैम को point करना पड़ रहा है. That is a window, but I'm saying this is a blackboard because ये मेरे near है. Is that clear to all? जो objects हमारे near होते हैं, हमारे पास होते हैं, for them we use this. हम उसके लिए क्या यूज करते हैं? दिस. बट अगर हमारे कोई ऑब्जेक्ट हमसे दूर रखा है और हमें उसके बारे में बताना है, व्हाट वी डू? दैट. हम उसके लिए क्या यूज करते हैं? दैट. तो आज हम करेंगे यूज ऑफ दिस, हाउ टू यूज दिस एंड मेक न्यू सेंटेंसेस, एंड द टॉपिक ऑफ दैट वी आर गोइंग टू डू इट नेक्स्ट क्लास. ओके, सो लेट अस सी. नाउ these pictures you all are very much familiar with them, isn't it? So what you are going to do, you are going to identify the picture and we'll make a sentence using this. Because the blackboard is near to me, तो अब क्या है? I'm standing near to these objects. I'm standing near to these objects. So what we'll do, we'll write the sentences using this today. So can you tell me what is this? See, जब मैम आपसे क्वेश्चन कर रहे हैं, मैम is also saying what is this? So what we are using the word this. अब मैम अगर पूछेंगे what is that, तो मैम ने भी आपसे अगर दूर का ऑब्जेक्ट के लिए कुछ क्वेश्चन किया है, so मैम is also using the word that. What is that? So you will answer that is a window. What is this? This is a car, because ये हमारे near है and we are using the word this for it. Okay? Understood everyone? Now let us begin with the first. We'll use it and then you will understand it more clearly. See, what is this? Bell. So how we are going to write the sentence? This is a bell. अब देखिए, हमने क्यों यूज किया? बिकॉज वी हैव ओनली वन बिल. ओके, दिस इज अ बिल. सो हाउ वी आर गोइंग टू राइट दैट? आई जस्ट राइट हियर, सी, this is a bell. Class, I will also tell you how to write it in 4-line pattern in your notebook, but at first just understand how we have to write the sentence using this. See, what is this? This is a bell. Understood? जब मैम आपसे कोई क्वेश्चन पुट कर रही है तो हाउ यू हैव टू आंसर? आई हैव ऑलवेज टॉट यू टू आंसर इन अ सेंटेंस फॉर्म. सो दिस इज दैट सेंटेंस फॉर्म. व्हाट इज दिस? दिस इज अ बेल. बेल हमारे नियर है, हमारे पास है, सो वी आर यूजिंग द वर्ड दिस. अगर ये बेल मैम से दूर हो जाएगी, आई यूज इट दैट. क्लियर? अब दैट के लिए हम कैसे यूज करेंगे? आई टेल यू लेटर. नाउ नेक्स्ट वी हैव इज अ jet. So how you are going to make a sentence? This is a jet. Clear? So how we will write that? This is a jet. Clear? This is a jet. And see, when we are writing sentence, after completing the sentence we have to mark a full stop. मतलब हमारा sentence वहाँ finish हो गया है. So always remember to put this full stop there. Clear? So what we have learned? Use of this, and we use this with the objects that are near to us. जो objects हमारे near हैं उनके लिए हम क्या use कर रहे हैं? We are using this. This is a jet. This is a bell. Now if I talk about what is this? This is a pen. ये हमारे near है and I'll write it here. This is a pen. Again, don't forget to mark this full stop here. This is a pen. Clear? Because ये हमारे near. Then next we have is a clever pussycat. So how you are going to use this? This is a cat. Clear? So let us just write this is a cat. Understood everyone? This is a cat because cat is near me. हम उसको एरो करके नहीं बता रहे. As I told you, जो ऑब्जेक्ट दूर होता है उसको बताने के लिए आप मैम से कहते हो ना, मैम उसने, उसकी तरफ आपको फिंगर करना पड़ता है ना. हम एक एरो बनाते हैं अपने हैंड को यूज करके तो वो दूर हो जाता है. बट व्हेन वी आर नॉट यूजिंग आवर हैंड, जब हमें एरो नहीं बनाना पड़ रहा क्योंकि वो ऑब्जेक्ट हमारे पास है, सो व्हाट वील डू? विल यूज दिस. Clear? So now if I say, what is this? This is your book. This is your book. ठीक है? अब मैम कहती है, what is that? So that is your chair, your table. अब आपकी जो chair table है वो मैम से दूर रखी है. So I'll say, what is that? But if something is near me, अब मान लीजिए Parth is standing near me, and I'll say, who is this? This is Parth. Clear? तो जो पास में होता है that is this, और जो दूर होता है वो क्या होता है? that. Understood? Okay. Now tell me, what is this? Car. So what you are going to say? This is a car. Understood how you are going to use? I'll write here. This is a car. So two things you have to remember जब आप sentence begin करते हैं, when you write the first alphabet, it has to be capital. See, I have written all the T in capital form. ये वाला जो T होता है, this is cursive T. ठीक है? अगर आप ये वाला T भी लिखोगे वो सही होगा, लेकिन उसके साथ आप H ऐसे लिखते हो तो वो इसको टच करता है, that is wrong. So you will write this cursive T like this. T-H-I-S. This. Clear all? How you are going to write? T-H-I-S. This. Clear? So जब भी आप सेंटेंस लिखते हैं, always you have to write your first alphabet as capital. जो हमारा first alphabet होता है, वो हमेशा क्या होता है? Capital होता है. And after finishing that sentence, वो sentence finish करने के बाद, always put this full stop. Clear everyone? So let us just do a quick revision of what we have learned. We have learned how to use this to form or to frame a sentence. And for whom we use this? For the things that are near us. जो चीजें हमारे पास हैं, हमारे near हैं, for them we use this. This is a pen. This is a chalk. See, chalk is in my hand. So while I say, this is a chalk. Then again, this is a duster. क्योंकि ये मेरे near था, मैंने एकदम से उठा लिया. But if I want to pick up a chair, chair दूर रखी है, so I say that. अब arrow बनाना पड़ा ना मैम को, तो जिन objects के लिए हमें arrow नहीं बनाना पड़ता, हम नहीं बनाते, for them we use this. Clear all? So let us see what we have done. What is this? This is a bell. This is a bell. So we have used this here. क्योंकि ये bell हमारे near है. So the objects that are near to us, see repeatedly I am saying बच्चा, जो objects हमारे near हैं, we use this for them. This is a pointer. ये मैम के पास है. So this is a pointer. अब can you see that is a smart board. Smart board दूर हो गया. So for what we are using that. But this is a blackboard. Blackboard मैम के near हो गया. Clear? Then we have pen. This is a pen. This is a pen. Then we have this is a jet. Near है तो हम क्या यूज कर रहे हैं? This. और अगर far होगा तो this नहीं यूज होगा. Okay? Then we have this is a car. This is a cat. This is a cat. Clear everyone? So this is used for those objects that are near to us. ये living objects भी हो सकते हैं, non living भी हो सकते हैं. But अगर वो object पास में है तो वो this है. Clear? This is a ball. This is a bat. अगर वो आपके पास है, but अगर वो आपसे दूर है तो वो this नहीं है. Clear? So now today's work. So let us see the work to be done on book page number 29. So I'll just write here book page number 29. So this is your today's classwork. Understood all? Page number 29 when you will open in your phonic book. So again I am telling you, open this phonic book, your phonic reader. ठीक है? And in this when you will open on page number 29, you will find the topic this is. Clear? And we have to do this work. So there are some pictures given. उस page पे आपको कुछ pictures given हैं. You have to identify the picture and try to frame the sentence. This is a, and then write the name of that picture. Like this is a net, this is a pen, then you have this is a bell. So if you can see here in the book, this is a bed, this is a net, this is a pen, this is a bell, this is a peg, this is a jet. Clear? So you have to do this work as your classwork. Now what is your homework? Your homework is I am going to show you in notebook. So like similarly as I'm going to show you, similarly you have to do practice of writing this sentences using this in your notebooks. Clear? So just see how you are going to do this work and after that complete. Clear class? So class, can you see this notebook now? As usually we are going to start with our work. in our notebook now. So here I have already drawn some pictures. So what we are going to do first, at first we are going to write the name of our today's topic, that is use of this. So we'll write use of this. Clear? And this is your homework. So what we'll do, we'll write HW here like this. Okay? Don't forget to write today's date also in your work. So the first sentence is, what picture is this? It's a cat. So how you are going to make this sentence? What is this? This is a cat. So see how we are going to write. This is a cat. Now see, I have written first letter capital, then cursive writing to be written and a full stop. Now when you are writing this, please try to leave a small gap between two words, just one finger small gap, so that we can understand your sentences. It is easy to identify to read the sentence. Clear? So now next we have is pen. So how we are going to write that? This is a pen. Can you see it? This is a pen. Now moving to the next picture. What is this? This is a car. Yes, very good. So we'll write this is a car. Clear, everyone? Next we have is picture of a net. So how we are going to write that? This is a net. So class, as I told you earlier also, when we are using this, we'll always write a. क्योंकि एक object है, so you will write a here. This a is used for one object. This is a net. Clear, everyone? Next is picture of a nail. Nail मतलब बताइए, आई साउंड में किया है ना हमने? Yes, जो कील होती है. So let us see how we are going to write. This is a nail. Clear, everyone? This is a nail. So let us just read all the sentences that we have done. This is a cat. This is a pen. This is a car. This is a net. This is a nail. I hope you all have understood how you are going to do your today's work. So class, I hope you have understood our today's topic. The topic is use of this, and the word this is used for those objects that are near to us. जो ऑब्जेक्ट्स हमारे पास में हैं उनके लिए हम क्या यूज करेंगे? वी विल यूज दिस फॉर दैट। इज दैट क्लियर? सो व्हेन यू आर सिटिंग एट होम, व्हेन यू आर प्लेइंग, so you can make some small sentences. This is my toy, that is a television, this is a water bottle. So like this you can understand and use this word this and make small sentences and try to converse in English with your parents. Is that clear to everyone? So I hope you have understood the topic, but in case if there is any doubt, please call me and get your doubts cleared. Okay? Bye everyone. Now get ready for the next class. Take care.